Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the other session. So, today we'll talk about a new topic which is tree traversals, and this is continuation to the last video, which is about tree terminologies. And this concept is about tree traversals. Before we step into the tree traversals, let's understand what this exactly. Tree is a non-linear data structure. Tree is a non-linear data structure where the nodes will be arranged in a hierarchical fashion and without any self loop or else without closed region. These are what the constraints of tree. Tree is a non-linear data structure and the nodes of a tree will be arranged in a hierarchical fashion, and no tree will have self loop or else closed region surface. Now, what is traversal? Traversal in the sense visiting of a node. Traversal in the sense visiting of a node. Traversal in the sense visiting of a node. I'm looking into this image. This is bit right. Now it is okay, fine. I'm sorry for the disturbance. Right. Traversal. Traversal is what? Visiting of a node. As we will be having several nodes in a tree, traversal means we will visit each node. Traversal means visiting. Visiting of a node. Visiting of a node or visiting of all the nodes. So what is tree traversal? We'll be knowing how to visit the nodes in a tree. This concept will give you, this concept will make you to understand how we can visit each node in a tree. How we can visit each node in a tree. Right. Now, there are three orders to visit a tree or to visit a node in a tree. And those are in order, pre-order, post-order. Tree traversal in the sense visiting of a node in a tree, and this can be done with three ways. The one is in order, pre-order, post-order. Now let's look into the each one. In order means we'll be forming these three scenarios based upon the root node. Based upon root node. What is in order? In order means left node or left child. Left child will visit first of all left child, then will visit root node, then will visit right child. In order means first of all will visit left child, then will visit root node, then will visit right child. Now what is pre-order? Pre-order means root node will visit. So I told you just before that these three categories, these three scenarios are based upon this root node. So in order means root node will be visited after the left child. Pre-order means root node will be visited first of all. Then we will be going for left child. And then we'll be going for right child. Then post order. Post order means what? Root node will be visited last. That is left node, right node or right child, left child, right child, finally root node. Once have a look. What is in order? In order means visiting of the nodes, visiting of the nodes in the particular order. That the order is, we'll visit first of all left node, then we'll visit root node, then we'll visit right node. And pre-order means visiting of the nodes will happen in the following manner, which is first we'll visit root node, then we'll visit left node, and then we'll visit right node. And the post order, we'll visit first left and right, then we'll visit root node. So this part you have to understand. Tree traversal means we'll visit all the nodes of a tree by following scenario. Using of this scenario, we'll visit all the nodes. Now let's see some example for the better understanding. Let's see some example. Now I have a tree. Now I'm drawing a tree here. So I am taking binary tree. Right. So I'm taking a binary tree. Binary tree means what? The name itself it tells that it can have at most 2 children. What is binary tree? That it can have at most 2 children. At most 2 in the sense what? 0, 1, 2. Now look at this tree. Can I call this as a binary tree? It can have at most 2 children. So A is having 2 nodes, B is also having 2 children, C is also having 2 children, F is having 1 children, G is having 1 children, and D, E, H, I are not having any children. So I can call this as a binary tree. Am I right? Right. Now let's see. Let's see how to visit all the nodes. We'll start from, first of all, we'll start with in order. What is in order? In order is what? Visiting of left node, root node, right. Visiting of left node, root node, right node. Now, pay at most attention. Now, this is your tree, right? This is your tree. Now, this part is the left subtree. Am I right? Left child of A. And this part is what? Right. This part is right child of A. This part is left child of A, and this part is right side or right child of A. Now what is in order? Visiting of left node first of all. So we will be starting this. First we have to visit left side. Now again if you see the left node or left side, again it is a subtree. In this subtree, what is the left node? This is your left node, 1. And next, this is root node. And next, right node. Right? Now first of all left. Left is what? D comma. In this left side, again we'll be applying the same formula. Left, root, right. Okay? Right. So left is finished. If you see here, left part is finished. So once after we finish left part, where will go? Root node will go. Now root node is what? This is your root node. Now write down A. Now again right side. Now come to this right side. This is all right side, right? Now right side child. Now in this right side child, again apply the same formula. Left, root, right. Now this is what? Left, right? And this is what? Root, and this is what? Your right. No confusions. We have only one tree where we are visiting all the nodes, left, root, right. So the tree is having 2 parts, left part, right part. We'll be visiting left part. In the left part, again a subtree. So left, root, right. So one left side finished. Once left side finished, we'll go but root. And root is also finished. A. Then right side. Now look at right side. Right side is having again one complete tree. So again we'll follow the same formula. Left, root, right. Now what is left? H, F, C. Right? Right side. C next. Right side is I and G. Okay? In order means visiting of left node, then root node, then right node. Okay? Right. And the next is pre-order. Now what is pre-order? Root node will be visited first. Then left node, then the right node. Now we'll take the same tree. So I don't think that same tree you can understand again if I draw in that. So I'm drawing again neatly for the better understanding. Right. Now this is what our tree is. Now pre-order. What is pre-order? Root node first of all. Now root node is always the first node. Now that is what? A. This is root node. So we'll visit first of all A. Then once after we finish root node, where we'll go? Left side or left node. Left child. Now root node left child is this partition. This is left side of root node. And now this is right side of the partition. I mean right side of your root node. So visiting of root node is the first, left is the second, and right is the third. Now A we visited, and next where we'll go? We'll go to left side. In the left side again apply what? Root left right. Now this is your root. Root left right. So now after A, where we'll go? We'll go to B. Why? This is one subtree. In the tree, again we'll apply this formula. According to this formula, root node will be visited, which is B. Next, left node, and which is D. Root node, left node, right node, which is E. So we finished this part. Again where we'll go? Right side we'll go. Right side also a subtree. Understand this? Again it is a tree. When you are encountering one tree, then where you have to traversal? Root node, left node, right node. Now what is root node? C is your root node. Am I right? Now this is your left partition and this is your right partition. Now here C will come. Root node. Next left node. What is left? H and F. Now right side I comma G. That is pre-order. Pre-order. Now what is post-order? What is post-order? Post-order is left, right, root. Left, right, root. So can you tell me from the same diagram? Can you tell me? Now first of all left we have to visit. The left side again you have to apply the same. First we should go for left. In left what we have? This left partition as B, D, E we have. If you look at this B, D, E, it is a subtree. It is a subtree. Again subtree we have to follow the same formula. Left, right, root. Now what is left? D is left. Then what is right? E. Root B. Now left side is finished. This is what your left side. Now once after we finish left side, where we'll go? Right side we'll go. Now right side again what we have? C, F, G, H, I we have. So again it is a subtree. Again it is a subtree. In this subtree apply left, right, root. Now left is what? H comma, E comma. Now right. I comma, G comma, now root, which is C. Finally, A. Don't worry, little bit, you may feel little bit difficult, but no worry. Listen this video again and again. I believe that you can understand very neatly. Okay. For the better understanding, take your own tree and apply this formula. Okay. Now what is in order? In order is visiting the left node first, then root node, then right child. What is pre-order? Visiting the root node first, then left node, then right node. What is post order? Visiting the left node, then right node, then root node. Okay. Based upon the root node, we will be visiting the tree. So this is called as tree traversals. So in the next video, we'll see binary tree types. Okay. Thank you all.